Transcend is our flagship interview guidance program. To improve your chances in personality test, enroll in our Transcend program and get personalized attention. Link to enroll for the program is in the description below.
What's your opinion on this OBOR?
One
border,
one belt, one road.
belt, one road. What's your opinion on that? Is it good for India? Is it good for India?
Sir, there are two aspects to it, sir. One aspect is that it is not good, and the other aspect is that it could be an opportunity. The not good aspect is that it violates the sovereignty. The CPEC passes through the Jammu and Kashmir, so no nation can accept that. But China is investing trillions of dollars into it, so that creates opportunity for connectivity of the whole Asia. And India can be part of that, especially on the eastern side, as part of the BCIM or CMAC, the Myanmar, Bangladesh, and that, and also this not naval, the sea component. So there is also the connectivity. Digital component is also there, and not just connectivity, but the infrastructure like pipelines and electric infrastructure, or even the industrial clusters.
Good, no? So why is India?
So because it violates the sovereignty, sir.
Just should India, can India?
India has got the biggest, second largest armed forces, right? You know that?
Sir, ranking is fourth, sir.
Fourth. So you can manage it.
And why not just take over this POK region? India, like we have seen politicians talking about taking over now POK forcibly.
So I think it's not possible, sir.
Why? Not possible.
Because POK is part of Jammu and Kashmir, and Pakistan thinks that it is their right to have Jammu and Kashmir as.
So what, tomorrow if somebody else says that Madhya Pradesh is our part, Cambodia comes and says that Madhya Pradesh is
So Pakistan is not Cambodia, sir. Pakistan is
what
nuclear.
if Cambodia says that Madhya Pradesh is our part?
So we can defeat Cambodia, sir.
Grab it, Pakistan is just a small country. Capture it.
So I think that would be an underestimation of Pakistan, sir. Pakistan, first of all, is a nuclear weapon state, sir. And
let's assume that tomorrow we neutralize their
nuclear weapons.
nuclear weapons.
Okay, sir.
10. Should we go and capture Pakistan? Problem over. Okay,
Theoretically,
next.
we should do it.
Technically, we should do it.
If we don't have nuclear weapon problem, because
Okay,
it is part
so
of Indian
nuclear
territory.
issue is the problem.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, Pakistan say we should attack and take over.
It would be long conflict because in the tanks, number of tanks, Pakistan is competitive to India. We have around 4,500
Overall,
tanks.
we are way ahead. We should be able to capture. Ajay, tell me, there is a problem with Iran.
US.
What exactly is the issue? I'm still not sure. Why there is hostility between America and Iran?
So I think reason is history, sir. In 1979, there was a revolution in Iran, and US was supporting the opposite side, the regime of Shah Pahlavi, I think. So that governance was not good for the Iranian people. So there was that revolution, and the US embassy hostage crisis was there. So the history was very hostile. And then George W. Bush gave this speech that Iran, North Korea, and I think Libya, they are part of this axis of evil.
So the Shah is gone,
Yes, sir.
and America is still pursuing that. Let the Shah.
Then,
Shah
sir, it's also about the Iran. Sir, Iran thinks that it should be the leader of the Islamic world, and especially in the Middle East. But US has the presence there. So in a way, it challenges the hegemony of the US in the Middle East.
US has hegemony. I couldn't understand. Could you please explain that part?
So Iran became a new nation in 1979, this new government, and they thought that they are the new leader of the Islamic world.
Right.
But when they try to do that, they have to subdue Israel, they have to subdue Saudi Arabia, but they are the ally of United States. So in a way, it is
Saudi
challenging
Arabia is ally of.
United States.
Okay.
So in a way, it is challenging the United States. And then they have this history of bitterness. And they have Iran, so Iran wants nuclear weapons for that. And Iran engages in something called as this forward defense doctrine, which means they have this proxies all over Middle East, like Hezbollah and.
So is there any fight between Saudi Arabia and Iran? I never came across any such situation or.
Sir, there was no direct fight, but there was war in the 1980s, Iran-Iraq war. And
Iran-Iraq, okay.
And Saudi Arabia supported the Iraq, and also if we see the Qatar crisis of last year, Saudi Arabia was hostile towards Qatar because Qatar had some good relations with Iran, and they have this whole Shia-Sunni conflict that Iran considered itself as the leader of the Shia world, and Saudi Arabia is the leader of the Sunni world. So they have this conflicts of interest. Saudi Arabia also wants to be the leader in the region. So they have this rivalry with respect to geopolitics, with respect to the religion, the leadership in the region.
So what exactly India should do now?
So with respect to Middle East, so India should actually, India is already doing that, but it should increase
What
its.
exactly is India doing and what should be done?
So first, India has this relationship, economic relationship. So that is the basic thing. What extra India is doing now is that it is taking interest in the security of the region. It wants to be the net security provider in the larger Indian Ocean region. So it has some naval presence near the Persian Gulf or the Strait of Hormuz. And I would suggest that we should increase our security footprint, at least on the naval front. So that
Is it permissible, allowed as per international convention?
so international convention says that there are limits. There is territorial waters and some other 12 nautical miles, then 200 nautical miles.
Can India get into Gulf with its naval?
So it has to be bilateral cooperation has to be there. On its own, I think it cannot.
Thank you for watching the video. Civils Daily provides complete UPSC guidance with multiple GS courses, test series, and personalized mentorship. Please fill the Samanvay form linked below to experience our one-to-one mentorship. Thank you.